A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Royd and we are doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples. If you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to tell everybody it's 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning. Today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus, as according to John chapter 5, verse 1 to 15. Sometime after that, Jesus go back to Jerusalem for one another Jew holiday. Now, in Jerusalem, he did have one post side of the gate where the sheep them will go in the city walk through. Them call the pool Betzata in the Hebrew language. And he did have 5 over walkway built next to it. Whole heap of sick people did lie down in the walkway them. Blind people. People who couldn't walk. And people who couldn't move at all. Now, he did have one sick man who did there for 38 years. When Jesus see him lie down there and see say him did sick for how long, him ask him say, you want to get better? Sir, the man said to him, me know about so fi help put me in the pool when time the water start to move up and down. Every time he try go in there, somebody force me. Jesus said to him, say, get up. Take up your mat and walk. Same time Jesus says so, the man get better and take up his mat and start to walk. Now this year happened upon the Sabbath. So the Jew leader them said to the man where Jesus may get better. Today at the Sabbath. And the law no allow you to carry your mat panda the. But the man said to them, say, the man will make me get better. Tell me, say, take up your mat and walk. So the asked him, say, a which man tell you if you take up mat and walk? But the man didn't know who didn't make him get better because Jesus did sleep where in the crowd of people where did they at the place. After the leader them questioned the man, Jesus find him in a God house and said to him, see there, you better know. Top scene, something worse might have go happen to you. Well, the man left go. Tell the Jew leader them say Jesus didn't make him get better. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.